Hi there, Mac here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video run through tour of our 2016 Ford Mustang we have new in stock. I'm just going to run through the specification of this car, just pointing out some of the main standout features. To begin with, on the exterior, you can see our example here is finished in the optional metallic blue paintwork. The vehicle comes with the optional nickel silver painted alloy wheels. The vehicle comes with the optional heated and ventilated front seats as well, and also the optional reversing camera. The vehicle does come as standard with the LED tail lights, the daytime running lights, the Bi-Xenon headlight system, the unique exterior body styling, front and rear being an EcoBoost model. You also have a full leather interior with half electric front seats, a leather trimmed steering wheel, access to cruise control from the left hand side, chrome interior styling with the LED interior ambient lighting. You can change the colour of the interior lighting through the driver's display. You've got multi-zone climate control, different drive modes, a touchscreen central display where you can access DAB radio, satellite navigation, and also the reversing camera as mentioned. And as you can see in the rear, plenty of boot space and also a subwoofer on the right hand side for your sound system. If you'd like to know any more information about this car, would like to book a viewing or a test drive, please contact one of our sales team through the number provided at the end or inquire through our website.